What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So last week there wasn't a video because we were working on the C63, we were cutting and polishing the car, and as you guys know, we were pretty much cutting and polishing the whole car because we did spray pretty much most of the car anyways. So yeah guys, we spent a long time just doing that. That's why there wasn't a video, and as you guys know, we do this part-time, so we do apologize for not bringing out a video last week. Anyways, today's a different day. Today you guys are getting your video and we are going to be working on the C63. We'll do as much as we can. We'll try finishing this car before the end of the video. So yeah guys, I think we'll start the video by actually talking you through what he's doing. So if you come along this way, we haven't put the mirror and the door handle in just yet because we do need to dechrome the window trim. So all this silver chrome trim will be going in a black gloss. So if you guys follow us on Instagram at Performance Rebuild, we asked you guys, shall we keep the trim chrome or shall we dechrome it? And you guys basically said dechrome it, get black on. So that's exactly what we're going to do, and I've got a specific cutout from a vinyl to actually do the trim pieces. Because I remember on the RS6 guys, we had the massive sheets, but we have got a little strip that we're going to be using for the dechroming of this car, and it's actually specifically designed for this kind of stuff. So that's one of the things we'll be doing. I think once we've got this first trim on, we'll fit the mirror handle, the door card back in as well. Same with the other side guys, we're going to be dechroming that side, the badge here as well.
And the addition one sticker.
Oh yeah, the addition one sticker, yeah. What is it, like a light silvery colour?
It's like a dark silver, it'll go well with the calipers. And you can get me different colours, but we just went for that silver one.
Yeah, I haven't seen many C63s with a silver edition one vinyl. So yeah guys, we're going to be putting that on as well. It's like a long strip that runs across the top and along the sides as well. So it's going to be really good once it's on. It's going to stand out because it's a black car as well. If you guys want to have an input on what we do to these vehicles, and if you guys want to see what we do behind the scenes, follow us on Instagram at Performance Rebuilds. So yeah guys, without talking too much, let's get straight into it. There's a good amount that needs to be done. So we'll start the video by dechroming this first strip. Once we've done that, we'll get all the little bits and bobs of the door cards, the mirror and the handle back on the car.
So check here guys, we've got our first vinyl installed on that drive side, and it's all looking good, better than what I expected it. So anyway, that's all done. We're planning on installing the mirror and that door card as well as the handle as well. We're not going to do that yet. We might as well just finish off wrapping this side right here, then get back onto installing that mirror and the door card and that handle. So whenever you're actually working with the vinyl, you want to always make sure your panel's prepped nice and clean, you got no dust in there. If you do have dust, it will show any imperfections once that vinyl's been laid down. So I'm going to crack on with it and start laying it all down. Once it's done, we'll move on to the next part.
Yeah, to make Z's job easier, we have got some vinyl tucking tools right here guys. So I've just found these, so now when Z works on the rest of the trims, it will make his job a lot easier.
Check here guys, I've wrapped up all these strips right here and it's finished up really good. Everything's tucked in really nice and you can't even tell they're all been wrapped up. So yeah, I'm happy with the way it's actually turned out.
Guys, it looks so much more aggressive now. Comment down below what you think. Does it look better with the black or without? So let us know what you guys think. I know majority of you guys in Instagram did say you like the black. That's why we went for it. And Z likes it as well, and I like it myself as well, to be honest. And yeah, Z, it took you quite a while to do because we wanted to get it right. And the way it's been tucked in as well, if I give them a close-up, honestly guys, it looks so good.
Check that out guys, it just looks like paint. You can't even tell that it's been wrapped.
It's come out really good. So what's the plan, Z? Other side now?
Yeah, I'm going to start on the other side. Whilst I wrap the other side, it will be a bit hard to do. You can see right here, it's completely different, that chrome and that black right there. It's completely different when you come to this side. It just stands out, that chrome. I don't really like it. My personal preference is that black. So we're going to get it on this side. I'm going to finish it all up. It will be a bit tricky to wrap this side right here as we've got the mirror in the way. So as the other side, the mirror wasn't there. So yeah, whilst I start wrapping all this up, you could just carry on and just.
Yeah, that reminds me. I do need to fit the door card on that side, the driver's side, and the mirror and the handle as well back into place. So while you're working on this side, I'll quickly finish off the door on that side,
Yeah,
get it all back together.
And another thing is, guys, if you guys are planning on wrapping and think you'll fail and you can't really do it, it's always good to give it a try. That wrap costs us about £10 off eBay, and all you need is the wrap and a heat gun and a few tools, and you can get the job done. This I've done a few cars now, so I'm just getting better and better. So it goes to show that give it a try, you can do it yourself and save yourselves a lot of money.
And also, when he says he's done a few cars, he doesn't mean he's done the full car. He just does little trims here and there, guys.
Yeah.
So we're not really experienced in like vinyl wraps, but for what it is, for what we've done right now, it's actually a pretty good job, Z.
Yeah. So
Yeah,
I'll just get cracking with it and just start wrapping up this side whilst you fit the other side up. So I just got a call from the alloy wheel guys who are going to be refurbing the alloys, and they said if you do want the alloys done, you need to drop them off within the next hour. So we do need to get them off and sent down to them, guys. Otherwise it's that or we wait a week. We do need to get the alloys done ASAP, so we don't want to be hanging around for a week. So get them off for now. Once they're off, I'll go down to the refurb place and drop them off, and hopefully you should have them back in a few days time. So that's why we actually stopped working for now. We'll get the car in the centre so we can start getting the wheels off. Once that's done, that way we could obviously carry on working on what we're doing. So yeah guys, let's carry on with it and just get the alloy wheels off now. So check it out guys, we have the strips all wrapped up now. So this one was a bit of a hard one to do, but we got through it and it's come out really good. So we are pretty much done. Everything's nicely tucked in and you can't see any chrome. So that's all done now, the job's good. So you can start moving on to the rear and start installing that spoiler. You can see right here guys, we've got loads of this double-sided tape, old tape that needs to be removed. So you're going to be using this rubber wheel right here that's designed to remove this tape. So all you do is just put it on there and just pushes it straight off. One of you guys did recommend it on one of the builds that we done to actually buy one of them, so I looked at it and it's definitely handy for stuff like this, and it saves a lot of time. So shout out to you guys who did comment down below.
Yeah, before we actually bought this rubber wheel, we were actually using like a little blade or a plastic scraper to get all the residue off, and it took us a long time to actually do it that way. But obviously one of you guys recommended this rubber wheel and it's made our job 10 times easier. So if you got any other tools that you guys want us to purchase to make our job easier, let us know. And that way we can save a bit of time as well.
Yeah, definitely.
Coming around this way, you'll see the alloy wheels are off. We have sent them off for refurb, and it looks a little dodgy because we don't have axle stands at the front. I think one of these mates borrowed the axle stands and just didn't bring them back.
Yeah,
so,
we did have 4 stands, but we left with 2. A mate of mine did borrow them, but he ain't brought them back, so he's probably watching this, so thanks to him. But the car's nice and secure, it's on wheels, and we've got wood blocks on the jacking points, so the car's not going anywhere.
Yeah, so next step is going to be that rear spoiler. So I guess we'll just remove the double-sided tape off, get the fresh tape on, and get that into place. We are almost coming to an end of the C63 project, guys. So hopefully by the end of this video, we'll have all the bits and bobs on. I'm hoping we'll get the wheels here on time. If we don't get them here on time, on the next video, we'll get the wheels on. We might even get spacers on the car as well, because a lot of you guys recommended getting spacers, so we might do that.
I've actually ordered the spacers last night.
Yeah, bang on. Hopefully to get here by next week, so we'll get the spacers on, and if the rims don't get here, we'll do that on the next video.
Spacers will definitely make a big difference. Last night I did do a lot of research on it, and it makes a big difference. I have ordered them, so they will be here in a few days time.
Yeah, because on the stock wheels, guys, they're quite far in. They come to about like back here somewhere.
Yeah,
with the spacers, the wheels will come out to about here, so it looks so much more aggressive.
Yeah, it'll just cover all that space inside the wheel arch, and it'll come out nice, and it'll sit nice as well.
It would be good to actually take the C63 and the GTR on a drive together. That would be awesome. Definitely. We haven't done anything like that before, so it'd be good to do something like that. I think when we do this for test
drag strip.
I think the GTR beats this, to be honest, because you've got too much power in the rear. This might have more brake, but you can't really put the power down because it's got all the power to the rear of the car. With the GTR, it's all-wheel drive. You put your foot down, you are off like a rocket. Anyways, guys, that's enough about that. We're going off on a different topic over here. Back to what we were going to do. The rear spoiler.
Yeah, what we're looking to do after the spoiler, you can
either do the badges or the tint and the lights. Because a lot of you guys on Instagram voted to have the headlights and rear lights tinted. And I think on the RS6, on the M4, we did the tint in the headlights as well, and they actually come out quite nice. So I think that's one of those features where if you don't like it, the new bike can always, take it off. It's not hard to do.
Yeah,
so,
definitely.
Yeah. Anyways, guys, we're gonna crack on with it now. We're gonna get the little spoiler on.
Yeah, we'll install this, then we'll see how it goes from there.
So Zeus just finished off putting that rear spoiler on, guys, and when it was off it looked a little plain and it looked like it was missing something from the back. So now that it's on, it looks so much more aggressive. So the next step is going to be the headlight tints, is that right?
Yeah, I want to install the headlight tints, and also we did measure the gaps on each side to make sure you got equal gapping before we actually install the spoiler. So that's all done, so we can start working our way down to the front and start installing the headlight tints, which we're going to be using, which is right here. So it's a very light tint. Number one, it'll be protecting the headlight from any stone chips. Number two, it will look good. And number three, a lot of you guys did vote for it on Instagram. So yeah, we're going to be doing that now. So we'll start from this side and work our way down to the other side and down to the rear. So I just installed the headlight tint on that passenger side, guys, so check it out. That's all been done. So we move on to the driver's side. The driver's side has got a few stone chips on there. So once that tint is on, it will prevent it from further damage. So we'll start wrapping all that up, guys. Tell me what you think in the comments down below. The original light or the one with the actual tint on it. So I'm going to carry on, guys, and just clean that light up, and we'll wrap this light up as well. So check it out, guys, we got both lights tinted. Drop your comments down below what you guys think of the tint on the front lights. We're going to work our way down to the rear. Both tail lights have been removed, so you can see right there. So what we'll do is we'll start from this side, wrap this side up, then work our way down to the inner light, then on the other side. So I'm going to carry on and start finishing it all up from the rear side. So check it out, guys, I've installed the wrap on the rear tail lights, and let me know in the comments down below, do you guys like it or not? Personally, I actually like it, they look really good.
I mean, they're not too dark, so they'll actually look really good, to be honest. We could have gone for much darker tint, but these tints right here, guys, they're light smoked, and it does really suit the car.
Yeah, on top of that, guys, the reason why we actually wrap the front lights as well is one, it'll protect from any stone chips, and number two, it looks nice as well with that black contrast. Yeah, so we got the badges right here, guys. So we got the V8 bi-turbo badges that sit along the wings on either side. Then we got the AMG and the C63 badge that sits on the tailgate.
Well, the badge you got here is actually an S. Don't know why you bought that, Z. This is not an S, in case you don't know. But here's the thing, though. This does have more power than an S, and we've also got the rims that you normally get in an S as well. So we might as well get the S on there.
Yeah, the badges are in matte black, so they'll go good with the flow of the matte black alloys as well. They have been sent off, and that's the colour they will be done in, so it'll be a nice contrast as well. Yeah,
definitely. Anyways, guys, let's just get these badges on, and once that's done, we can move on to the next step, which is actually putting on the edition 1 vinyl.
So you have the badges installed. You can see you've got the C63 one and the AMG one. For some reason, we got a gloss black AMG badge and matte C63 one. I don't know why they sent the wrong ones out, but anyway, it's alright, it'll do the job. The front V8 ones are in matte colour, so it'll go nice with yellows once we got them back. We'll move on to the next stage, which is start installing the edition 1 vinyl we got right here.
So this is edition 1 vinyl, and it is in a silvery grey light colour, same colour as the calipers.
So it'll go well with the calipers.
Yeah,
the calipers are dirty, so once they're cleaned up, they look really good. Along with that vinyl, the colour it's actually in.
You could have got it in a white, but I think this is a better combo with the black. So
yeah, there's loads of colours. You had white, black, blue,
orange,
pink, red.
Yeah.
So the best one was this colour right here, which is silver.
Yeah, so let's just get it on, let's see how it looks.
Yeah, we'll clean all the panels up. Any surface will be actually applying the vinyl. Once that's done, we'll start applying it. We'll start with the bonnet first.
So we just got done applying the vinyl, guys. Let us know what you think. I mean, personally guys, I'm absolutely loving it. The car looks absolutely insane. We've done quite a lot of different mods to it, very subtle little changes that's made a big difference to the overall look of the car. So we've dechromed the window trims, we've smoked out the headlights, the rear lights as well. We've changed the badges for the black badges. We've also put the edition 1 vinyl on as well. And guys, this car is looking absolutely insane. I don't think there's anything we could have done to make this car look even better. If there is, then comment down below what we could have done. I know a lot of you guys wanted us to get spaces for the alloys. That's exactly what we've done. So we have got spaces coming. Hopefully they'll be here next week along with the alloy wheels that we have sent off for refurb. And then hopefully the next video on the C63 will be a test drive video. I know a lot of you guys are looking forward to that as well, and so are we. I can't wait to get this car on the road, take it for a blast, see how it is. Anyways guys, that is the plan for the next video. So thanks a lot for watching. Hope you guys enjoy your new year. And yeah, comment, like, share and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at Performance Rebuilds. We do a lot of behind the scenes, a lot of sneak peeks of what we're doing as well. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.